Jeans are a key item in almost every man's wardrobe, but did you know you're making some critical mistakes that are ruining your jeans? Thomas with Real Men, Real Style here, and in today's video, I'm going to cover all the mistakes you're making that destroy your denim. Mistake number 1, overwashing. Are you tossing your jeans in the wash after every single wear? Terrible idea, for several reasons. First off, the more you wash your jeans, the more dye you're rinsing away, and the faster they will fade. I mean, that's cool if you like faded jeans, I guess, but if you love the rich, dark indigo color, you're really screwing up. Second, the washing machine puts a lot of wear and tear on your clothing, so the more you wash it, the more you're shortening the life of the jeans. And finally, if your jeans are made from 100% cotton, they're going to be a bit tight and stiff coming out of the wash until the fibers stretch out again. So if you're washing them every single time, you're going to be constantly wearing stiff jeans versus a pair that is stretched and conformed to your body. The truth is your jeans don't need to be washed daily, only when they get dirty. So unless you're sweating heavily in your jeans, or you fall in a mud puddle, you should only need to wash your jeans every 5 to 7 wears. Mistake number 2, using hot water. Hot water is the most effective at cleaning away stains, but it also has an unfortunate side effect, which is it will fade the color of your jeans faster. And if your jeans are 100% cotton, you're more likely to get shrinkage washing with hot water. So if you have to wash your jeans, use cold water to best preserve the color and the shape. It may not be as effective if you have a bad stain you're trying to remove, but for ordinary cleaning, it will do the job just fine. Hey guys, quick pro tip. Try using a detergent made to minimize color loss when washing. Mistake number 3, washing right side out. Tossing your jeans in the washer with the right side out is another big mistake you need to avoid. Your jeans are going to be rubbing against all your other clothing in the wash. This friction will cause the jeans to wear and fade faster, especially on the edges like the hem, waistband, and fly. Easily avoid this by turning your jeans inside out before washing them. Mistake number 4, using the dryer. I get it, using the dryer is fast and convenient, but the high heat of the dryer is really bad for your denim. With cotton jeans, you have to watch out for shrinkage and color fading. But if your jeans contain a stretch material like spandex or elastane, then you're really putting them at risk. The heat from the dryer weakens the bonds on your stretch materials, so you're greatly shortening the life of your stretchy jeans by putting them in the dryer. Also, have you seen the lint tray of your dryer? That didn't come from nowhere. That's pieces of your jeans. Just like a video game. Every time you toss your jeans in the dryer, that's another bit of health gone from your denim. The best way to prolong the life of your jeans is to hang them up to dry.
Alright gents, whether you're using an electric, safety, or cartridge razor, consider using an aftershave balm. Applying this after you shave helps to cool the skin and prevent redness. Now gents, the grooming products you see in today's video brought to you by VITAMAN. And instead of me telling you how awesome they are, how about I put a link down in the description of today's video so you can try them for free. Seriously gents, use that link in the description to grab a sample kit over at VITAMAN for free.
Mistake number 5, ironing. Some people hate wrinkles and like to iron almost all their clothing, but just like the high heat from the dryer, the iron can be dangerous to your denim too. Using an iron with high heat can do 2 things to your jeans. First off, going over a dark material with a hot iron can leave shiny marks in the fabric. Second, if you're using those stretched jeans, the hot iron will greatly weaken the fibers, reducing their lifespan. It's best to skip the iron, but if you absolutely want to iron your jeans, use a pressing cloth to protect the fabric and put the iron on a low heat setting. Mistake number 6, throwing away faded denim. So maybe you've committed a few of the washing mistakes and now the color of your jeans have faded. Time to toss them and buy a new pair, right? Not so fast. If the fabric is in good shape besides the fading, you can actually dye the jeans yourself to restore that rich, dark hue. All you have to do is get some navy and black dye. It'll take a couple hours to do, but your jeans are going to be looking good as new at the end. Check the cards for a full tutorial on how to dye your jeans. Mistake number 7, wearing unhemmed jeans. So your jeans are just a little bit too long. No big deal, right? Letting the back of your jeans drag on the ground means the fabric will quickly wear down and start fraying. You have 2 options to prevent this. The first method is to roll your jeans. There are a variety of different ways you can roll and cuff them, so if you like a more rugged aesthetic, this is an easy fix. Plus, it's free. Now the other option is to get the jeans hemmed. You can take it to a tailor to get this done. But if you have a sewing machine, you can do it yourself at home. Want to learn how? Then check out this video where I show you how to easily hem your jeans yourself, step by step.